What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV video. Today you join me once again inside the Hyundai I30N. Why? Because it now has a stage 2 tune upgrade, and I wanted to chat to you guys through what it's like now with this upgrade. So remember, the I30N stock makes 206 kilowatts and 392 newton meters of torque. Now it's making around 320 horsepower and around 450 newton meters of torque. Let's actually drive so I don't actually end up talking too much. So let's talk about all the upgrades that have been done. Now there's a new bigger custom air intake, there's a new bigger custom downpipe, and a cool boost system with methanol injection and software to tune. And that's pretty much all that's been done. All the stuff done to the car have come up to a cost of around 31,000 rands, and that's literally it with the tune. Now the exhaust is the most noticeable upgrade because it's a lot louder right now. In terms of daily use, it can actually be annoying in some situations because it's a bit too much in a way. It's not something that you necessarily want to drive daily. Although there's a huge disclaimer: this car has a fault with its exhaust flap actuator, so it doesn't actually open and close up anymore. It's always open, whether you're in eco or you're in sport mode, it's always open. But that is actually not a problem with the tune, it's just a general problem with the car. It actually needs to go back to Hyundai so they can sort it out. So yeah, that also adds to the exhaust being obnoxious when you just want to drive the car normally in a daily basis. Other than that, the car is still pretty much very, very exciting to drive. And it pulls so hard. It's not a huge difference with the new upgrades, but you can tell that it just pulls slightly harder. So it does add a decent amount of extra power, which is quite cool and nice. As you can hear, the exhaust is just so insane. And I like how you can hear the air intake from the inside. But yeah, that's all I wanted to put out to you guys with this POV video. Do let me know what you think about the tune. Is it something that shouldn't have been done? Would you do it if you had, or if you have the I30N? Should it be reverted back to stock? What do you guys think? Oh man, this thing is just insane. I just want to drive. Oh, there's a nice Bentley Continental on the road. Very nice. Hit the red line right there. Oh man, this thing is just so insane. So there is a section up the road back from where we come from. I think I'll go back there in a bit after coming from where I'm going now, so I can show you guys what it's like around twists and turns. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So guys, let's experience some twists and turns. guys, I'll leave it there. As you can see, this thing is mental around twists and turns. It just handles so beautiful, so aggressive, it's so confident going into a turn. And yeah, what a great car. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV video. Until next time, that's cheers from me.